Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be comparing two electric vehicle companies, Rivian and Lucid Motors. Which of these two top picks does Morgan Stanley choose as the best electric vehicle stock into the future? And do I agree with him? We will be talking about this and more. Before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up, keep me alive on YouTube, smash the subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can get all my latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to share this page to continue to grow this channel. I do have some very nice promotions right now. I can get you a free Lucid stock using my link to Moomoo down below. If you open an account, put in $100, that Lucid stock is yours for free. In addition to this, Moomoo will also give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Incredible opportunity to get up to $17,500 in free stocks. Take advantage of that, as this is a huge opportunity. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk about the analysis between Rivian and Lucid Motors. Morgan Stanley did just do a comparison on Seeking Alpha between these two giant electric EV startup companies. Rivian, the first electric truck, pickup truck, and SUV to be sold in the United States, and comparing it to Lucid Motors being the brand new electric vehicle luxury sedan that is being sold in the United States. Both of these have won Motor Trend's Car and Truck of the Year for the year 2022. But which of these two stocks will prevail? We will be discussing this according to this article. So this article from Seeking Alpha is titled Rivian Automotive versus Lucid Group. Morgan Stanley says there is a clear winner. This was just recently published, and we are going to be discussing which of these two electric vehicle stocks are going to be the winner. Now let's examine what Morgan Stanley is saying about both of these companies. So Morgan Stanley actually did do a survey and a poll of are there clients that are invested in both electric vehicle companies, and they asked them, which of the stocks do you prefer and do you own between Rivian and Lucid Motor Group is the clear winner. 87% of respondents that Morgan Stanley did poll said that they liked Rivian as an investment long-term over Lucid Motors. So the analyst, Adam Jonas, says that the investment in either company requires the need for a long-term thinking and preparation for significant, potentially volatile around the ramp-up and high volume manufacturing. So what Adam Jonas is actually saying is that he favors the company that he believes will have the highest volume of manufacturing, meaning that they can produce the most amount of vehicles to be in the competitive electric vehicle market. He does actually favor Rivian, saying that he does believe that Rivian will be a long-standing competitor in the electric vehicle race. He also believes that Lucid Motors has very conservative expectations and is giving it a price target in the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, of $16 price target for Lucid Motor Group. On the reverse side, he is giving Rivian an overweight rating, a strong buying rating with a price target in the next 12 months as $147. He is expecting that Rivian will outperform Lucid Motors in making electric vehicles for the masses. He does believe that there will be more Rivian vehicles on the roads than Lucid, and he is favoring that company is going to be mass producing these vehicles, giving them a huge upward momentum instead of Lucid Motors. Now, what do I think about this? I do definitely see that Mr. Adam Jonas's views of both of these electric vehicles, and I do see that there is going to be a huge demand for both. Now, looking at its price point into the market, Rivian's vehicles, the R1T, their pickup truck, and the R1S SUV, is selling around $70,000 to $80,000, which does give it a more affordable price point for consumers. That being said, in addition to this, their SUV and their pickup truck have a very big utility, and I do see that there are a lot more reservations for consumers that they have reserved these vehicles. Last time I looked, I believe that Rivian's reservations, their demand is huge. It was above about 70,000 reservations for both of these vehicles moving forward. Lucid, on the other hand, is following in the footsteps of Tesla using its model to go into the luxury sedan market first. It is going to be mass producing these Lucid Air vehicles just this year, the year 2022. It's going to be making a goal of 20,000 vehicles this year. And it is having a very big price point, ranging anywhere from $77,000 all the way up to $169,000. That is definitely a higher price point that only a very small amount of people can afford. Now, that being said, you can buy the Lucid Air Pure version for about $77,000. It only has one single electric motor. It has a pretty nice range of about 406 miles, 0 to 60 in about 3.5 seconds. So this vehicle can definitely perform, but they are looking more of the luxury sedan market. Now, which of these two electric vehicle startup companies will be the clear winner at the end of this year all depends on who can mass produce their vehicles and who can sell their vehicles. Both of these do have high demands when you do look at their reservations. What we need to look at, in my opinion, is the profit margins per each vehicle. Which of these vehicles will allow the company to receive and reap more benefits and have the higher profit margin when they sell these vehicles? In my own opinion, I do believe that Lucid Motors will keep more profits for each sale of their vehicle this year than Rivian. So that being said, Rivian will need to sell a larger unit volume to get the same revenue amount. In my opinion, that Lucid has to sell a less amount of vehicles because they have a bigger profit margin. Just look at the electric motor itself. On the Rivian, the pickup truck and the SUV, it has 4 electric motors in the vehicle versus Lucid only has 1 to 2 electric motors, depending on which version you buy. Now, how much money can they make per unit vehicle has not been determined yet, but I do believe that Lucid is having bigger profit margins per unit vehicle on its sales. We also have to look at the huge demand and the huge potential for Rivian, as they do have a very big demand of their electric vehicle trucks and SUV, as I have mentioned, but they also are going to be making their electric delivery vans for commercial purposes for Amazon. This year alone, the year 2022, Rivian will be making about 10,000 electric delivery vans for Rivian. In addition to this, they will also be producing their vehicles, their pickup truck and SUV, for the retail purposes for consumers. So which of these two companies is the best buy, in my opinion? I, again, still believe that Lucid Motors is my top EV electric stock, as I do believe that they will have a bigger potential of upside from now on. However, Wall Street does not agree with me on this. Rivian is the clear winner for Morgan Stanley, and all the people that have been polled from Morgan Stanley, again, 87% favor Rivian as being the top performer stock in the year 2022, but only time will tell. We'll definitely have to see. Now, let's look at some charts and see how the stocks are doing. Now, I did want to just talk to you about the stocks and see how they are comparing. When we do talk about Lucid Group, ticker symbol LCID, we have seen a huge sell-off, downward pressure, especially in the past 1 week. Just in the past 1 week, we have gone from a high of about $30, and we are now currently trading, as you can see, live market trading is $26 and about 70 cents. We have gone down about 4.8%. As its lowest point has been about 12.6% from its highest point this past week to its lowest point. In the past 1 month, we have had a huge sell-off in the stock. In the past, January 11th was its highest at about $45. We have since had a downward trajectory on this stock, selling down more than 41% down in this stock. We are continuing some downward pressure on Lucid Motors stock. We are now currently have a market cap of $44 billion, which is now less than Rivian as a company. Now, according to Morgan Stanley, Mr. Jonas, Adam Jonas, does believe that Lucid Group could potentially even go down less than this in the next 12 months. He is giving it that price target of $16, but we'll have to see, because in the next couple weeks, we will have some good potential catalysts in Lucid stock. The first one being that their 13F filings will come out and will tell us what the investor trading is, if there are institutions that have bought this stock, also if there's any insider buying in this stock, as it does have very nice upward potential, especially on some good news. In addition to this, on February 21st, we will see earnings report from Lucid Motors, which will be very important to see what the deliveries were for the year 2021. Did Lucid Group meet its goal of producing 520 electric vehicles for the Lucid Air Dream Edition? We'll see this news and more. If we do get this stock could definitely go up and be some nice upward catalyst. But on the other hand, if they did fail to meet that goal, this stock could definitely go under $20. We'll definitely have to keep you updated on this stock. But again, Morgan Stanley is saying that in the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, Lucid Group will have a potential to go down all the way to $16. Now, transitioning over and looking at ticker symbol RIVN, which is Rivian Automotive, we have seen this stock trading up for this past 5 days, up about 1.2%. We have actually tested a high of about $70 just in the past 1 week. From that high to right now, we have actually gone down about 15.6% in this stock. But if you go back and look at 1 month, we have gone a lot lower than this, going from about $101 in January 4th to as low as 46, almost 47% down to its lowest point on January 27th at $53.94. We have seen a lot of volatility, a lot of sell-off in this stock. Now, as you have seen, Morgan Stanley, Mr. Jonas, does believe that Rivian, ticker symbol RIVN, can go all the way up $147 by the end of this year, by the year 2022. Its 12-month forecast. Do I believe in that? In my opinion, I do believe that Wall Street does favor Rivian, but I do not see that Rivian is going to be outperforming Lucid Motor LCID stock by the end of this year. But again, these are my opinions only. Please always do your own research, your own due diligence before purchasing this or any other stocks. Again, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Don't forget to share this page with others around YouTube to grow this channel. Don't forget to also take advantage of those huge promotions and opportunities I have below for you. Right now, down below, if you open an account using my Moomoo link, put in $100, you get a free Lucid stock. In addition to this, you will get up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Incredible opportunities. I also do have promotions to Webull, which is now giving 3 stocks, free stocks, each valued up to $2,300. In addition to this, I do have cryptocurrency. Crypto.com is giving my viewers only $25 in free cryptocurrency. Coinbase, if you put in $100, is giving my viewers $10 of Bitcoin for trading. Take advantage of these huge opportunities, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. And stay safe and have a wonderful weekend. Thank you.